Okay, Miss Anne. Can you tell me what Kelvin is?
Sure thing, sir. You know, Kelvin is nice a nice filter in Instagram and some other camera apps too.
That doesn't answer my question.
Tama na! Sakto na! I don't deserve